Evening, everyone. It's 5:30, and this is your closing comment for Monday the 26th. It is video number 867. And I remind you, if you appreciate the work, it's quite time-consuming. Please just hit that subscribe button and the notification. It costs you nothing to subscribe to my channel. Okay, first thing this morning, we had new home sales down 6.6% versus an estimate of up 3.4%. And of course, that took the home builders down on the day. These are new home sales, and a couple of factors. Number one, shortages. Number two, higher prices. And number three, last month we had a little bit of a jump in mortgage rates, which have since corrected back down. So all of those together sent new home sales down, as I said, 6.6%. Okay, we also had Chinese stocks down kind of big today. Hong Kong started down 4%. The government cracked down on educational after-school tutors and technology, sent the educational stocks down 40 to 50%, and BIDU and Alibaba and Tencent, the music company, all down between 7 and 12%. So pretty ugly. We had earnings from Hasbro this morning, a beat both top and bottom line, and the stock was up $3.50 early, pre-market to 96, and that was just the beginning. The stock traded up to 100 and 489 and closed at 103.56, up 11.15 or 12.7%. We had Lockheed Martin, also a beat top and bottom line, and it and the defense stocks went in the other direction. 367.84 down 12.93 or 3.4%. Then after the close, we had Tesla, and Tesla was a monster of a beat. They were expecting 98 cents. It came in at $1.45. Margins on auto sales were 28%. They were only expected to be 24 to 25%. The stock had closed at 658.28, up 14.91. And then after the news came out, we traded up as high as 698.12, and currently the last is 673, up 29.82 or 4.4%. So that was a hell of a nice move in the stock. As far as the markets, they were barely changed in the reality of it. The Dow was up 82, which is less than 0.25%. NASDAQ was only up $3.72%. It doesn't even rate a percentage up or down. S&P up 10.51, also 0.25%. The Russell was up 0.3%, $7 and change. And the transports were up 16.63 or 0.1% also. The big news was the chart on the screen, and the chart on the screen is Bitcoin, and it started up overnight. It was up actually over the weekend. You have to remember this trades 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It was up a couple of thousand, and then and that was a nice bounce from the close, just over 30,000, but it really ran on the news that Tesla and Amazon both said that they were going to start accepting Bitcoin again by the end of the year. And as you can see, it gapped up, and the low for the day today was 34,420. The high was over 40,000. In last night's note, I was talking about the fact that I thought we had to clear this closing high at 36,430, and as you can see, up 7,200, 22.33%, closed 39,480. So that looks like we've seen a turn there, unless somebody comes out and says, no, we didn't mean we're going to accept it. Stranger things have happened. But the bottom line is, as of right now, it is higher, and it also took Ethereum higher, which is the one that I favor, since they are an open source system, and that open source system is what's used to build the NFT market, non-fungible token market. And as you can see here, as you can see here, it never had as much of a move to the downside. So today's move back up was also pretty substantial, up 17%. We are in the Ethereum Trust, ETHE, and that was also substantially higher today. It closed the day, let's take a quick look. It closed the day at 21.75, up $3.30, which is quite a move. Anyway, we have that. The gold was down a little. Oil was both up and down. It finished down 16 cents. The dollar was a little bit weaker, and the bonds were basically unchanged to up a couple of ticks. Tomorrow we have consumer confidence, durable goods, FHFA housing price index, and the Case-Shiller housing price index. We also have big reporting tomorrow. This is the biggest week of the quarter for earnings, and tomorrow pre-market we have 3M, Archer Daniels Midland, GE, Polaris, Sherwin-Williams, and UPS. And after the close, we have AMD, Apple, Google, Enphase, Microsoft, Starbucks, and Visa. So tomorrow will be a very busy day on the earnings front, and we'll see how the market reacts to it. All right, everyone, have a good evening. I'll be back first thing in the morning.